Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Instagram app on an Android phone. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you have to find your Google Play Store. Okay, tap on it. And once done, tap on the search function. And at the top, we have the search bar. Just tap on it. And then once done, go ahead and type down Instagram. Okay. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and tap on Find, or tap on the ones from the search results. Tap on it, and then after that, just basically tap on Install. Wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, it's done downloading and it's currently installing. So just wait a bit, and then after that, you can go ahead over to the Open button right here. Tap on it directly, or find the app icon on your app section right here. Tap and hold, and then go ahead and place it on your home screen. All right, and there you have it. Tap on it to open it up, and that is how you install Instagram app on an Android phone. Just basically sign in, and after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.